My beautiful friends, how you all doing? I'll start covering Rocky Rabbit just as I've been covering the Hamster Combat project. If you ask me why, well, there are a number of reasons. This game right here looks pretty more advanced, more techy, and more organized than the other ones out there. And of course, it has a rapidly increasing number of players, okay? So if you're interested in joining me on this journey, check the link in the description to join. Okay, join, let's go. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to find what is called the Easter egg. Okay, just follow me. Click on the mine section. Once you're here, go to coach, and once you're here, go to claim. Okay, so on that claim, I want you to look for these cards that I'm going to show you now. The first one is this counter attack practice. Okay, once you're here, click on this yellow, that yellow there. So we've gotten the first one. So we're supposed to get three of them. The next is this one right here, evaluating progress. Okay, so again, click on this. You can see we've gotten the second egg. We'll have this one to get. Okay, so let's go to the last one, which is this right here, psychological. Okay, yeah, this psychological support. Click on it and tap on that yellow. Boom. Once you're here, look at that right there. That is where it is. Just click on that and you have the three of them. We click on claim. So we've claimed our Easter eggs. Okay, and that's how to do this one. So let's do the daily combo. To get the daily combo, go to the mine section as usual. Once you're here, go to the claim section. Okay, the first card is going to be this one right here, shadow boxing. Click on this to add it up here. You can see it is added up here. The next one is under the venture. Okay, go there and then go to offering nutrition, this right here. Okay, click on this to add it up. So it is now added up here. So the last one, which is Vanguard tournament, is under the tournaments. Okay, scroll to this right here, Vanguard tournament, this, and click on this. So that's gonna get it added here. Click on check cards and boom, we have our 2 million to claim. Click on claim. So let's do the last one, which is the Enigma. If you go to Enigma, okay, so if you want to see where I clicked on this right here. Okay, to go to the Enigma. So what you're supposed to do here is to arrange this passphrase correctly. Watch my order of arrangement. The first should be pause, next kick, the next expand, the next reward. Okay, once you're done, click on claim. You can see I've already claimed it. Okay, 2.5 billion points. If you have to pause this video to see this arrangement, ensure to do that. This is for this video. If you fancy, check the link in the description to join. Let's start playing. Okay, let's go.